Okay guys, are you ready for some math?
Yes, yes.
So recently we've been doing addition, right?
Yes.
What have we been doing?
Addition.
One more time?
Addition.
Addition is when we take a big number and take away to make it smaller, or we put two numbers together to make a big number. Two numbers together to make a
big number.
yes, two numbers together to make a big number. We started with the easy one, which is what do we call it? We have two of the same?
Double.
Raise your hand, who can tell me this one? Who can tell me this one? Kai say?
4.
Can you tell me the whole 2?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Very good. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Ready?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
I'm going to do some difficult ones too. How about this? Who knows this one? Tucked on.
6 plus 6.
Yes! Ready? 4 plus 4 equals.
8.
Now, when we're doing, what do we call when we have two that are the same? We call that
Double.
doubles. When we're doing doubles, do we need to use our fingers to count to the answer? Or do we just know the answer? We just,
know the answer.
and we can always remember too that it's just like skip counting by twos, right? 2 plus 2 equals
4.
3 plus 3 equals
6.
4 plus 4 equals
6. 8.
good. 5 plus 5 equals
6.
so we have 4, 6, 8.
10.
One more time, Kaiser, you can tell me?
4, 6,
6.
8, 10.
Very good. Is that pretty easy now? Do you remember your doubles pretty well?
Yes.
Good. But then we have doubles that is not, or addition, which is not doubles. Now one more time. Addition is when we put two numbers together or take a number apart. Put it together or take it apart.
Put it together.
Okay? Is it put it together or taking it apart when we do addition? Two numbers, put it together, or do we take a number apart? Put it together, that's right. What's this?
Plus mark.
Plus mark. When we see a plus mark, we always check. And what do we say first to see if it's plus or, what's this one?
Minus.
First thing we do is we check your signs. One more time. Check your, and check your signs tells us if it is plus or minus, right? Now, don't just say the answer, okay? Don't say the answer, okay? How do we read this equation? The equation, this part is the equation. What is this? This is the,
Equation.
one more time, this is the,
Equation.
how do we read this? Who can read this for me? Kai?
Which side do you think is going to be the most popular? This side?
Now, when we have plus, what do we do? What number do we put on our fingers here?
Who says this side?
What number do we put on our fingers here? Who can tell me? Kai say?
So,
2.
2 in our fingers, and then what number do we put in our head?
who says this side?
Kai, what number do we put in our head?
4.
So we count 4. Let me see your fingers.
4.
How many are we holding up?
This side, you place in, so.
Only 2, right? 4.
5, 6.
Who can tell me the answer? Doctor,
Alright, ready?
what's the answer?
I'm going to roll the dice.
Who can read this whole equation for me? Who can read this whole equation for me?
Let's see who is the
Kai,
4 plus 2 equals 6.
ready?
4 plus 2 equals 6.
Now we always need to be careful because if it's 4 minus 2 equals 6, is that right?
No.
No, we always need to check your
Side.
signs. That's right, ready? Check your signs. Today though, what we're going to do is we're going to go backwards.
What is backwards? 4 plus
5.
I don't know. Plus,
I
I don't know.
6.
Equals 5. So, we are going to look for these hidden numbers. Do you know what they are? Do you want to try to find out?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you
8.
sure?
Yes.
Are you sure, Mr. No Arm?
Yes.
Mr. Arm in the sleeve. Are you? Nah, fix your shirts. Nope, arms out.
10.
Because this is something new. So when we learn something new, we need to focus, right?
5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5.
This is something we call number bonds. When we don't know this number and we don't know this number, but we know what it equals, these are called number bonds. Do you guys think, is there only one answer or more than one answer to this equation? I think there might be. Can we use some Unifix cubes to try to find out?
Yes.
How many Unifix cubes do I have?
5.
I have 5 Unifix cubes. So, just like this, we know our answer is 5. I have 5 Unifix cubes. What if I put 0 Unifix cubes here and 5 here? How many do I have?
5.
Can you tell me the equation? 0 plus
5
equals.
5.
What if I go like this? Do I have 5 Unifix cubes?
No.
All together, do I have 5 Unifix cubes? Yes or no? Look. Here and here together, do I have 5?
Yes.
Who can read the equation? Who can tell me the equation? Takto.
1 plus 4 equals 5.
Very good. What if I do this? Do I still have 5 Unifix cubes?
No. 3.
Look, these and these. Do I have 5 Unifix cubes? Yes. Who can read the equation? Kai.
2 plus 5
One more time. 2.
plus 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Ready? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, we know right here there's 5 Unifix cubes. If I go like this, Kai, is there still 5?
No.
Kai, watch. This is 5, right? 2 and 3. If I go like this, do I still have 5 Unifix cubes?
Yes.
Yes, I'm only moving the number, right? Did I take one away?
No.
Did I add extra ones?
No.
No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Yes.
If I move this one over here, do I still have 5?
Yes.
But our equation is different. What is different? Our
Equation.
plus 0 equals 5. So look, 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0. All those equations equal 5. So if we see one like this, where we need to find the number bonds for 5, is there only one answer or more than one answer?
More than 1.
More than one answer. I want you guys, with your own set of Unifix cubes, make an equation for me and tell me. So I'll show you, I'll give you an example. Here, I have this, I'll go like this. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Can you make an equation? In different equations is okay, okay? Go!
You have to roll the dice.
2.
So you can cut it anywhere you want and then wait, okay? 5,
You
4,
have to roll the dice. 1,
3,
2, 4, 5,
2,
6, 7, 8, 9,
1. Let's ask Kai, what's your equation?
What's your equation? 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Very nice. Let's ask Takto. Ready? What's your equation?
Circle the shape.
1.
1 plus 4
Alright, roll the dice.
equals 5.
Ready? Let's ask Kai say about his equation. Ready? What's your equation?
1 plus 4 equals 5.
Very nice. Now, I want you guys make one more different equation. Can you make a different equation? So change your cubes up. Make a different equation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ask Kai, what's your equation?
What's your equation? 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Good. Let's ask Takto. Ready? What's your equation?
3 plus
Go ahead.
2
Roll the dice again.
equals 5.
Very good. Let's ask Kai say. Ready? What's your equation?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Very good. Nice job. So remember, if I have 5 cubes, there's more than one equation, right? 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0, right? Now, if you don't have cubes, there's another thing we can use to help us. Is there something on our body that there's 5 of? Like 5 noses. Do you have 5 noses?
No.
Kai say it. 5 hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hands or 5?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 fingers. Hold up your fingers.
Follow the pattern.
Okay, now put your fingers down. I'm going to show you a little trick. Watch this. Down, down, down. I have 5 fingers, right? If I go like this, how many fingers on this side?
2,
How many fingers on this side?
3,
So we know 2 plus 3 equals.
5,
If I do this,
Already stopped.
how many fingers over here?
4,
How many fingers over here?
5,
4
plus 1
equals
5.
anywhere I cut, even here. What's this? 0 plus equals.
5.
Because I'll always have 5 fingers, right? So if we know what we are looking for, we can always find different equations to get there. Now, can you guys hold up your hand and tell me one equation using your hand and a cut? Remember, it can be here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Anywhere. Who has one?
Ethan.
Kai, you want to tell us? Tell me.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Very good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Talk to
9,
him.
10.
4
Which shape
plus
was
1
the most?
equals 5.
Very good.
Draw the shape
4
that was
plus
most.
2 equals 5.
Try one more time. Is this 4 or 3?
3 plus 2 equals
Equals
5.
5. Very good. Okay, so one more time, guys. Remember, we have a mathematician, a mouse driver, and a button holder. Okay? So look down at the bottom. Look down at the bottom first.
4.
What does that guy have on his tummy?
4.
Make your own pattern.
We need equals.
Plus 1.
No, down here at the bottom, the orange one. Equals. Equals.
5.
Equals 5. Look at me, guys. So we have equals 5. If we cut here, 4 plus, how many?
1.
Equals.
5.
So what number do we want to find on the guy's tummy up here?
1.
We want 1.
1.
This one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
So what you need to do is our mouse driver needs to put it on top of him.
Yes.
The button pusher needs to hold the button down. Then you need to use the mouse driver drives him over here. Let go. Ta-da! Okay? Do you guys want to try?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start a new game for you. Who wants to be my mathematician first?
Me.
Takto's our mathematician. Who wants to be the mouse driver?
Me.
Alright, so Kai, that means you're the button holder. So, well, we put our mouse driver here, mathematician here,
Me.
and button holder here. So, what number is this, Takto?
1.
Plus, I don't know, equals.
5.
So use your hand, and cut off 1. How many are left?
4.
So what number do we need from the top?
4.
Alright, so remember, go ahead, mouse driver, get on top of a 4. When it's on top of a 4, you need to push and hold, Kai. You gotta get it by a 4 first. Kai, don't touch, you're gonna touch the button. You're touching the button. You're the mathematician, you have to wait. Not yet. Not yet. Ready? Catch him, catch him. Gotta let go.
Go.
Catch. Almost. Oh, get that.
Go.
Don't only hold it when you're on the 4.
Try again. 10 times.
Oh. Ready?
Did you do 10 times?
Gotta go a little lower, Kai. Say.
Okay, answer the question.
Okay, mouse driver, pick him up and let him go. Did we do it?
Yeah.
Very. Oh, let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Tell me. Ready? 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay, let's switch. Who wants to be my mathematician? Kai, say, come stand over here. Who wants to be the mouse driver? Kai. And you're going to be the button holder. Okay? We have 2 plus, I don't know, equals.
5.
So, ready? Take your hand and cut off 2. How many are left over?
3.
Alright, so what number are we looking for?
3.
Go ahead, Kai, you're the mouse driver. Get over 3. No, you're the mouse driver. No. The mouse. You're gonna move the button around. So watch. Gotta go like this. When it's by a 3. Go. Gotta click. Now.
No.
Now.
3.
When we're right by a 3, you gotta press the button. Oh, okay, good. Now drive him over. Don't let go of the button. Don't let go of the button. You're gonna drive him over, Kai. Drive him over to here. And then let go. Ah! And what do we have? Ready? 2 plus 3 equals. Alright, Kai, I think this time you're going to be our mathematician. Takuto, you're going to be our mouse driver, and you're going to be our button holder, Kai say. So let's look. What number is this? 1 plus, I don't know, equals. So ready? Cut off 1. How many are left? 4. So what do we say? 1 plus 4
equals 5.
So what are we looking for up at the top?
5.
What about 1 to the 4? Were any of the numbers rolled the same times? Yes or no?
What's
Say
fun?
yes or no.
What? Go here.
Okay guys, so what's this? This is a
Ladybug.
ladybug. How many spots does our ladybug have?
2.
Really? Where? Does it have 2 spots or 0 spots?
4.
4?
0 spot.
In here there's 4 spots or 0 spots?
0 spot.
Now, I have in my hand, how many spots?
5. 4. 5.
How many spots are there?
5.
Now, if we think about our number bonds from before, like with our uniface cubes or our fingers, if I use all these dots, how many dots are there going to be all together? There must be
5.
There must be 5, right?
Yes.
There must be 5. So, if I put, how many spots on this side?
2.
How many spots are on this side?
3.
We know how many spots are there all together. We know we have equals.
5.
What goes here and here? Look, look. What goes here and here?
2 plus 3.
2. Can you raise your hand and tell us? Takuto,
2 plus 3 equals 5.
is that right? Let's double check with our fingers. Let's double check. 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Let's try another one. How many dots are on this side?
1.
How many are on this side?
4.
But we know altogether there must be how many dots? There must be altogether. Kai, there must be 5, right?
Yes.
Now, who can tell me the equation? What's the equation? Kai say.
1 plus 4
Equals.
5.
Let's double check, okay? 1 in our head, 4 in our fingers. Ready? 1. Can you hold up 4 fingers? We're doing plus 4, Kai say. Plus 4. Plus 4. Just one hand. Plus 4. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, is that right? 1 plus
Yeah.
4 equals 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very good. Let's do one more practice.
How about difficult?
How many are on this side?
5.
How many are on this side?
0.
But we know there must be, altogether how many? There must be
5.
There must be 5. Now, let's count. We're going to double check. Actually, who can tell me the equation? Kai, can you tell me the equation?
5
Plus
0
equals.
5.
Let's double check. 5 in your head, 0 on your hands. 5. Finish. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now it's your turn. You're going to use stickers. Please open up your math journals to page 9.
9.
Page 9. How many ladybugs do you see on page 9? Can I say, how many ladybugs do you see on page 9?
2.
2? 2 ladybugs? How many ladybugs do you see?
3.
3? Look, I say, how many ladybugs are there?
4.
Now, I want you to, using these stickers, just like we use the magnets over here, make 4 different equations, okay? 2 plus 3 equals 4, 2 plus 3 equals 4, 2 plus 3 equals 4, 2 plus 3 equals 4. Is that okay? No, we want to do different equations. Once you finish your first one, write the answer, raise your hand, tell me, you can move on to your next ladybug. So go ahead, use all 5 stickers. Go! Mm-hmm. So you can choose. You can put 1 on one side, 2 on one side, 3 on one side, 0 on one side. You get to pick your equation. And when you're finished with your dots, please raise your hand.
So you need to give me a filter
Be
cord.
careful with your drool, Takuto. Where did that go? Right here?
I drill.
Alright, who's done with their dots? You're done with your dots? Can you read for me? Read your equation.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Write your equation, and there's some more dots for number 2. Can you read this for me?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Here's some dots. Remember, don't do the same one. Don't do 2 plus 3 again. Try to find a different equation, Kaisei. Can you read?
3 plus 3 equals 5.
Everybody, 2 plus 3 equals 5? Okay. Can you write 2 plus 3 equals 5? And then your next equation, use a different equation, okay? Go ahead. Yes, write first.
2 plus 3.
Move on to your next one.
Okay.
Go ahead. You have your stickers. Move on to your next one. Go ahead.
Plus
What is this?
1 plus 4 equals 5.
Very good. Write your equation. Move on to the next ladybug.
That's still not the S. Yes, this is not the letter S. I don't know what that is. Yes. No, it's not.
1.
Oh, you know,
Okay. Can you read this equation for me, Kaisei?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Wonderful. Write your equation. Move on to the next ladybug. What is that?